I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com on Saturday, February 18th. First, a quick reminder, we're closed on Monday, so you don't get to trade. You got to wait until Tuesday before you start pushing those buttons again. Okay, Priceline. This is a stock that I've covered with fair frequency in our strategy sessions, but now I'm just bringing it out here. There's your resistance. Every time the stock's tested this level for the past year or so, it's failed. Right here as well. Finally, we get a breakout. This matters. This breakout matters. It sure didn't seem like it the next day, did it? You get this breakout, and it occurred on what? Well, pretty high volume. Next day, it looked like it peaked. Oh my gosh, the stock had an intraday reversal. Big whoop. When you have a stock that breaks out after this long, after this many tries, that breakout is typically going to move for a while. So if you're just a candlestick trader, you probably have whiplash here because you get this. Ooh, this is a gravestone doji. Well, this is a dragonfly doji. The dragonfly basically trumps the gravestone. Now this stock is poised to move higher. If the market is strong, if the market remains, quote, constructive, as I like to say, then we're going to see continued strength in Priceline. Now you're going to know that strength when the stock hits a new high of 588.56. That was last Tuesday's intraday high. So watch that level. So what, $6 above where it is right now. Most of you that are trading this stock, you're trading it with call options as opposed to buying a stock for $582. All I would tell you is that the options are expensive. You're paying a boatload of money for them, and that's okay. Just go few, go small, go deep, deeper in the money. Make sure you're on the right side of the trend, but don't get real greedy. Just take this as any other trade. And don't put yourself in a position to where an adverse move in this, say from 582 down to test the breakout at say 550, last time I checked, that's a 32-point move, to where that kind of a move is going to shake you out. Because when you look at this chart, frankly, I could envision that happening and there'd be nothing wrong with the trend. There's the resistance, there's the breakout, there's the pullback, and there's the move higher. Meanwhile, you got shaken out right about here. Watched the stock move higher without you. Now you've quit your trading career and you got that midnight shift at the 7-Eleven making new coffee for the drunks. So anyway, don't do that. Don't be that guy. Instead, just trade lightly on this thing. Don't get in over your head. And my bet is you're going to make some money here on Priceline.